In this video I am going to show you how to add text behind any object like this. First of all, I will add a new page and upload your photo in Canva. I will use, for example, I will use this image. Adjust the image according to your design size. Then I will add text. At the left hand panel here is text option. I will add a heading. I will make this text uppercase, and then I will change the font family as well to Poppins. I will select Poppins extra bold. Poppins extra bold. Then I will increase the font size as well, 144 pixel. Change color. Here is the top toolbar, change text color option all the way to white. I will create some text effect. Here is the effect option, top toolbar, shadow. First of all, I will change the shadow color to black. I will do some adjustment of this shadow. Then click on the image. At the top toolbar, here is duplicate option. Duplicate the image. Once duplicate done, at the top toolbar here is remove busy option. If you don't have Canva Pro, then you cannot use this option. You can use any online tool like removebusy.com. You can use this free online tool to remove your background. Upload your image, automatically remove your background, automatically remove the background of the image. I will use Canva background remove option. I have the Pro plan. Once background remove done, adjust the position to original image. I will make this top a little bit. Then I will increase the text size a little bit more and adjust the position. That's easily we can add text behind any object. I will create another design. This time I will choose another image. This time I will choose this image. First of all, I will adjust the image size to our design canvas. Then I will add text here. At the left hand panel here is text option. Click on that. I will add heading. First of all, I will make this text uppercase. Where is the uppercase option? Let's first change the font family to Poppins. You can choose any other fonts that you like, but I will change Poppins. Here is extra bold option. It's helped me to make fonts more bold and change the font family as well. Where is the uppercase option? Here is. If you don't see the uppercase option, you can write manually all the character in uppercase, or click on the, here is three vertical dot, no, three horizontal dot, and then select the uppercase option. Then I will change the font color all the way to white, because white is, I think, perfect and perfect color for add text in object background. And then I will duplicate the main image. You can use this toolbar, or you can press Ctrl C, then Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Once duplicate done, click on remove BG. Then readjust the position with the original image. Readjust the position with original image. Then see, I don't create any shadow effect. I don't create any shadow effect for this text. That's why it doesn't look any perfect. I forget that I will create shadow effect. Select the text, and then here is the effect option. Click on that. I will choose shadow option. First of all, I will change the shadow color to black because it's more professional looks. Oops, let's do it again. Black. Then I will adjust the offset, direction, blur, and transparency. You can play with these settings. Once you saw the design is looking perfect, then it's looking more professional. That's how we can add text behind any object. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel for more tutorial, for more Canva tutorial. Thanks for watching this video. Please like our video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.